Well, 6 different women who got the Johnson & Johnson vaccine are having these rare side effects, and now we understand that one of those cases were fatal. We're going to go on out to KLBK's Brenda Lepenski, who is at the Lubbock Civic Center. Hey there, Brenda.
Hi, Sasha. Yeah, so there has also been a pause here for the Johnson & Johnson vaccine here in Lubbock. And here to give us more information is the director of the health department, Katherine Wells. Katherine, what can you tell us about this pause?
Well, like a lot of us, we had information from the FDA today that there was about 6 different adverse reactions reported with Johnson & Johnson, and we were asked by the state health department to stop administering the vaccine while they have time to investigate what really is behind these reactions.
And so how many vaccines of the Johnson & Johnson have been given out here in Lubbock through the health department?
Well, we started giving out Johnson & Johnson last week, and we've administered about 2,500 vaccines, about 500 or 600 a day.
And so here's a $1 million question. For people who have gotten the Johnson & Johnson vaccine, should they be worried, and what kind of symptoms should they be looking out for?
Really just monitor for symptoms. This is 6 people out of all of the people that had been administered Johnson & Johnson across the United States. So really looking for numbness, tingling, upset stomach. If you have any of those concerns, please call your doctor.
Great information. Thank you so much, Katherine, for sharing that information. Now, if you did sign up to get the Johnson & Johnson vaccine, you still have the option to get the Moderna vaccine here. We'll keep you posted on the latest information. Reporting from the Lubbock Memorial Civic Center, Brenda Lepenski, KLBK News.
All right, thank you so much, Brenda. So like Brenda said, you can still keep your appointment if you have a vaccine scheduled. So if you are in line to get the J&J vaccine there at the Civic Center, you do not need to cancel. You will be offered the Moderna vaccine instead. And another big change happening today, the health department says no walk-up appointments will be available until further notice. So for more information, you can call the public health department at that number right there on your screen. That is 806-775-2933. Now, of course, the Lubbock Health Department, they are not the only ones here that have been offering that J&J vaccine. United Supermarkets have their Texas Tech campus clinics in full swing. In fact, the next clinic is set for this Thursday, but they also tell us they are pausing the J&J vaccine. They're also shifting to the Moderna 2-dose vaccine now. That second dose administered 4 weeks after the first one on those dates listed there on your screen, May 10th, May 12th, and May 13th. So any questions that you may have, feel free to call that number you see, 866-277-2843.